Take a breath, let your heart relax. Let every worry fade away. Your purpose knows you. Your path is waiting with love. Dear life, I've tried so long to fit in, to prove my worth, to chase and win. But now I choose a softer way, where peace and purpose lead my day. Every doubt that held me tight, I set it free into the light. I'm open now for all that's true. The universe has work for me to do. I'm sorry for doubting my own fire. Please forgive me for all my tire. Thank you for guiding me so near. I love you, my path is clear. I release the fear of being late. There's no rush, I trust my fate. Every step I take with grace leads me closer to my place. The world will see when I'm aligned. My gifts were never left behind. Work becomes my sacred place. Ease and joy now light my way. I'm sorry for pushing love aside. Please forgive me for all my pride. Thank you for showing me how to grow. I love you, I'm ready to flow. Every closed door was protection. Every delay was direction. I am guided by something greater, and I trust that timing is my teacher. Now I wake with calm delight, knowing I am held in light. Success to me is peace of mind, and love in what I leave behind. I forgive the fear that said I can't. I release the stories old and slant. My work is sacred, my heart is free. Abundance flows so